I discovered that the handle is catching on my door latch and not letting it stay latched. So I'm going to put some AIM on it and just see how much difference that makes. I'm going to try putting just a couple of drops of AIM on it just and see what happens here. Feels like the hang-up is in the handle, not the latch itself. The latch is working really good. So I'm going to have to put some on the handle. I was able to discover that the issue was back behind this shaft, right against the cover, is where there was a problem. 3 drops of AIM right against that, and now it runs free and easy. After just a few drops, functions just as good as new. AIM strikes again.